ChatGPT is valued at $29 billion. Now, why is this important? It's because Microsoft is looking into investing at $10 billion. We'll go over what this means to the ecosystem, how much money they're going to be making, and potentially how this could transform OpenAI as we go through this story. So, shout out to Trung that did a summary of this on Twitter today. So, let's take a look at this. Microsoft is looking at a $10 billion investment into OpenAI, which is the parent company of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is just one of their products underneath that. So, just think about it as like part of the product suite. Now, Microsoft would be getting 75% of OpenAI profits until it recoups its $10 billion. Afterwards, the ownership structure would have Microsoft owning 49% of OpenAI, other investors owning 49%, and OpenAI nonprofit parent would own 2% of the company. Now, this is really important because Microsoft, in the last couple of years, decades or so, has been buying up everything. And this could really be a competitor to Google, potentially down the road. So this is big news. Now, trying to get more details of what has been signed, has been finalized, there's no comment. And you can actually get more details right here with this article. And I'll put a link down below as well. Now, let's talk about why this is important potentially to know that Microsoft is investing so heavily into OpenAI. Well, there have been reports in the last couple of weeks with OpenAI or some of its products being integrated with some of the Microsoft suite. Could you imagine writing an email and already having ChatGPT already integrated, so it's going to help you write emails, or potentially doing other things in the Microsoft suite? This could be incorporated. Now, also in the last couple of weeks, people have been building on top of ChatGPT for their own kind of apps. Now, this is kind of jerry rigging and putting things on top of it. Microsoft having this kind of investment could natively integrate everything together to make a better experience, potentially with ChatGPT or any OpenAI product, potentially. So this is a really big deal, and a lot of people are talking about this. Now, if we look at what the president of Microsoft has already been looking at, we know, and this meme is talking about what it's bought before. Microsoft already bought Slack, and now they're going to try to dominate over potentially Google search and getting something like OpenAI and ChatGPT. Now, it's not that simple when it comes to, is this just going to replace search? It still has a long way to go. And again, this is good for a competition. And let's not forget, Google with Google Cloud Platform has their own AI and machine learning platforms that they just don't talk about that often, but they're still pushing into machine learning and AI. If you want to know more about what's going on and what products that AWS is doing, Google is putting out, and what this has to do with the ecosystem and comparing to OpenAI and ChatGPT, let me know in the comment section down below. We'll talk about what they're doing if people are interested. And if you like this kind of stuff, make sure that you like and subscribe. All right, everyone. All right, bye-bye. Have a great day. Goodbye.